What if I told you the best used car buys aren't the ones everyone's fighting over? Forget the overpriced Civics, the clapped-out Camrys. The real smart money goes where the crowd isn't looking, to cars that are boring to the average buyer, but absolute gold mines for those in the know. Welcome back to Torque Hub. We don't do hype. We do hard data and real-world reliability. Today, I'm revealing 6 cars that form a secret checklist for mechanics and industry insiders. They're affordable, brutally reliable, and priced low for one reason. Most people have no idea what they're actually getting. If you want the unfiltered truth on what's actually worth your money, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe and ring that bell. We're diving deep. Our list comes from cross-referencing long-term reliability data, deep dive forums, and conversations with master techs who see what actually breaks after 150,000 miles. We've verified current market values to show you the gap between perception and reality. Let's get into it. Most people see Buick and think retirement home. But the truth is, this car was engineered on an Opel-developed European platform. It's a legitimate European-feeling sports liftback with a tuned, agile chassis and a practical hatch. Here's the smart part. It's powered by one of GM's most solid modern engines, the 3.6-liter LGX V6. By this generation, earlier issues were resolved. It's naturally aspirated, no finicky turbos, and produces strong, usable power. You can find clean 2018 to 2020 GS models for well under $25,000. A comparable Audi A5 Sportback costs thousands more. You're saving serious money for most of the experience, with cheaper parts and lower ownership stress. This was Hyundai's all-out assault on Mercedes-Benz. They packed it with features, real leather, cooled seats, and engineered it to a standard, not to a cost. Then they priced it below the Germans. The result? Massive depreciation for the first owner, which is exactly where the opportunity is for you. A 2015 Genesis 5.0 Ultimate V8 with around 70,000 miles can often be found between $16,000 and $20,000. That's a car that's stickered north of $55,000 new. Pre-purchase inspection is non-negotiable here. Buy a clean one and you're getting a fortress of value. If your goal is to spend less on cars and get more in return, hit that like button right now. It helps keep Torque Hub running. While other brands rushed into tiny turbos and CVTs, Mazda perfected the naturally aspirated 4-cylinder. This 2.5-liter Skyactiv engine runs high compression on regular fuel, saving money at every fill-up. There's no turbo to fail, and it's paired with a conventional 6-speed automatic that's proven to be extremely robust. The data supports it. This powertrain consistently earns near-top reliability scores. The market advantage is simple. A 2017 Mazda 3 Grand Touring often costs less than a same-year Honda Civic. You pay less upfront, less over time, and you get a car that's actually enjoyable to drive. This is where value peaks. Mazda made a critically smart decision here. No cylinder deactivation, no CVT, no unnecessary complexity. The 2015 to 2017 Mazda 6 uses the same proven 2.5-liter engine and 6-speed automatic, and it has shown excellent long-term durability. Repair cost data shows it approaches Camry-level reliability at a much lower buy-in while offering a more engaging driving experience. A 2016 Mazda 6 Touring can be $3,000 to $5,000 cheaper than a comparable Camry. That price gap matters over long-term ownership. Pro tip: look for a VIN starting with the letter J. That means it was assembled in Japan. This is America's forgotten full-size champion. The final generation Impala won awards for ride comfort and interior quality, and it became a favorite of police fleets and rental companies for a reason. We focus on 2018 and newer models for the final refinements. With proper care, the 3.6-liter V6 and 6-speed automatic drivetrain can cross 200,000 miles with documented maintenance.
Direct injection means carbon buildup is something to manage, so intake cleaning every 60 to 80,000 miles is smart. Budget for it. In return, you get massive interior space, smooth power, and comfort that most modern sedans simply don't offer at this price point.
This is the car I recommend without hesitation to anyone prioritizing the lowest total cost of ownership under $20,000. The Avalon shares its 3.5-liter V6 and 6-speed automatic with the Lexus ES350. This drivetrain has a legendary reputation for durability, refinement, and longevity. Here's the financial knockout. A 2016 Avalon often costs thousands less than an equivalent Lexus ES and can even undercut a V6 Camry. You pay less and get more space, more comfort, and the same proven reliability. As one technician put it, the most common repair is brakes. The most common comment is, "I'll never sell it." Look beyond the badge. Prioritize proven simplicity over complexity. Let depreciation work for you, and choose platforms with long-term reliability history. These 6 cars are your cheat code in a market driven by hype instead of logic. If this approach makes sense to you, help us grow the Torque Hub community. Hit like, share this with someone shopping for a used car, and subscribe for honest, data-driven car advice. Next up, we're breaking down the most reliable used trucks under $15,000 and exposing which European cars are actually worth the risk. Drive smart, invest the savings. I'll see you in the next one.